makakarating na siya sa dulo.
Akit na! Malaglag ka pa. Ang dami mo pang bye. Punyebas ka.
Bye.
Bye ka pa.
Hindi niya kaya.
Sige na! Kiyat! Doon, taas. Oo, okay.
Toka boka!
Doon nagparesa tayo ng ilong ba eh.
Wala mo.
Ganun.
Kasi nga lang siya.
Ang kawan mo na nga eh. Ang nang kulit mo na. Ay, nahon ni mami.
Ay, hindi ba yun yung mga
Negra! Nandiyan si Koy Koy! Uy! Na mag-aircon eh. Naantok siya eh. Ulog ka! Bilabot! Ah! Kunin mo ba eh. Akit mo siya dyan. Tumulong sa akin.
sakit ang ulo ko sa inyo, mabuwakang ina niyo. Ay, panoorin mo muna nga yung putang ina yan. Yung tahimik naman yan, manonood na.
Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo na si tita eh.
Hey!
Ayaw mo makinig eh. Ano si tita oh?
Panoorin mo muna siya, anak. Please enter your year. Anong year ka pinanganak? 2010.
2011.
2000, tanga.
Duri ha? Isa!
Eto ningo, pakain mo sa kanila.
Naglinis ka na. Hindi pa rin. Naglinis. Nagawa sila eh.
Ay!
Tiyo. Wow.
Paano tayo mag-enter kay Tokaboka?
Toko bukol. Oh. Problema po. Sige na. Oh!
Madadating na yung
Electric man. Ganoodar ako ni mama. Patawarin. Namamatay na ako talaga.
utang pa yan si mama sa akin. Patay kayo, hindi babayad yan.
Na, bayad na si mo, Jai. So, kabuha ka yan, Jai. Jai, alam mo ba pang autism yan? Oo nga, gago. Search mo sa Google.
Bakit pang autism?
Kasi, yun, di ba, mga autism gusto nila organize. Eh, organize yun. Ginawa siya para sa mga autism.
Ay!
Disig naman yung kapatid mo ah. Bakit ba dyan?
Si RJ na.
Mama.
Mama? Nakita mo yung mga anak.
Ay, puta!
Nyum, 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 nyum. Baby,
Anoodin mo siya,
Abe,
anak.
oh!
Nipip!
Eh!
Hindi ka manonood sa amin, ah.
Yan, sabi mo mama.
Pag ikaw. Ang ina, gago ah.
Utang na mo ba?
Nabibilaukan ka, gago. Hindi mo minunod.
Sobrang takaw eh. Sobrang takaw eh. Lahat na lang eh.
Ano ka?
Ano ba yung patingin-tingin mo?
Hindi
Para
ka
kang
pa malaki.
tao. Kangina mo. Ang gago.
Bakit ba? Ayoko tumaba, di ba? Empal ka.
Oy! Nasuka na yun. Ano yung kinain ng tae?
Tae.
Naman. Naman na nga.
Wani mo.
Alam mo din yung salamin video, wala naman siyang panguya. Gusto pa lunukin lahat.
Manukin lahat, gago.
Ay!
Huwag tinapa mo doon, matamis yan.
No, na tayo.
What the? Your outfit looks hilarious, Snowy.
Kaya mo
I
na
love the
bata,
hair that you
magiging
have
ako.
now. That is awesome.
Oh.
Hey, I want to
Wala
get a cool
pa.
outfit too. Let me try spinning it again. I want something good that could go in my bag of cash. Here we go. It's spinning, it's spinning. What's it gonna land on? Wait, what? The nerd emoji? Actually, this is exactly what I wanted all along.
Guys!
Hilarious. I bet you like the cash better.
On the contrary, Snowy, I prefer the power of my brain and monetary gain.
I can't believe this works.
Me too, Snowy, but now it's time to spin it to see what the viewer's gonna get.
Let's see what it lands on for you guys, the viewers. Spin that wheel, spin that wheel. Let's see what you get. You get the like button.
Kagatin mo siya, Pops.
Oh, that means the viewers have to hit the like button right now.
You heard
Kagatin mo
that,
siya,
guys?
Bes.
Hit the like button right
Kagatin mo siya.
now.
Whoa, where'd you get that cool new dance?
It came in the cloud
Oh!
out. We should use our magic emoji powers to help people.
Good idea, Snowy. Come on, let's do it. All right, Snowy, it's time to help people with the power of emojis. We need to choose the right ones to help them.
Tama talaga yung niya ni Ade.
Fine.
Nila
Hopefully
kita.
nothing bad happens if we choose the wrong emoji.
Apple Watch tracks your health, and iPhone gives you the big picture.
Wow! Tignan mo! Wala na, hindi ko nakita. Uy, huwag ka dyan!
Look at me, I'm stream. I make fake YouTube clickbait videos. No, Ethan, I'm telling the truth.
Bakit ka nakatingin?
Bakit mo inano?
He doesn't think so.
Huwag mo ako tignan.
So I'm gonna bring Soul Sand to life to haunt his world forever. What's that lying scumbag up to now? Huh? What is this room? Task list? Make everyone believe EY Stream is a lie. Oh, that absolute trash can.
We made everyone believe that EY Stream is a lie. Now let's chuck this on the done list, EY Stream.
In my dirty underwear. Take my crush to that does. Ew, that's so gross.
Maglalagay ng aircon.
Oh, switching a creative. This is so risky. Okay, we need a sign.
Right, we have done this one. Let's cross this one. Oh, so beautiful.
We're just gonna get him to break some soul sand. As simple as that. Right, die, red and. Okay, quick, disappear. That was so close. He literally just finished a sign.
Alright, now to check what else is on my list. Let's see.
And he spelled my
Koreano
name
na to
wrong.
eh.
The disrespect.
What's we got? Get netherite. Okay.
Korean.
Break soul sand.
And to make him even more scared, also to the creative, we're gonna make the soul sand
Ano
just
pag
appear
ginampas sa
behind
si
him.
RD, kita
Isn't
yan.
that convenient?
Kasing yan dito.
Oh, guys, this is so
Binugbog ng
risky
papa
switching in
niya
and out.
yan.
I did not put that one there.
You know what? We all know that simply breaking a soul sand block doesn't release the souls trapped inside of it.
Maybe I did put it down because I wanted to see something, but duh.
But by enabling this resource pack on the server, breaking a soul sand block will make it look like the soul has actually escaped from the block.
Well, I mean, I guess it is a task, so I'll just cross it off. And
Koy, koy.
Wait, did we do it in time?
what was that? Whoa, no. Did that soul sand block just cry?
Wait, he's still looking at it. I think it worked.
Are you serious? I just saw like tears come out of the block.
Literally 1 second late and that entire trip would have just failed. Wait, what is he doing?
Soul sand,
Bro's putting down a sign for what? Soul sand equals cry. What? No, the texture pack was supposed to look like souls coming out, not like tears.
I did not know the soul sand blocks did that, bro.
Oh, it's because the souls were blue.
We gotta go get the netherite.
This man ain't scared at all. Alright, well that's just fine. You know what? If he doesn't believe in soul sand, these boots it definitely will. Right, and now we're just gonna use my admin terms to look inside Ethan's inventory. And let's switch out his boots to something a little bit more, fun.
Wait, whoa. Wait, what?
The souls are literally coming out of this man's feet.
Ah, my feet are crying. Wait, no, there's tears coming out of my feet. What is it? No. What is this? My boots, what happened?
Look at him, he's freaking out. He's like,
Help, please, someone.
please someone, oh yeah. Look at him, he's asking for help from the server. What happened to big strong man Ethan?
My feet, they are crying.
Are you kidding me?
No, please stop crying all over my
Dalawa ko
floor.
yung
tears.
kami.
Oh my god, Craftsman, bro, my little sister isn't gonna be any help for Ethan in this situation.
Tears, are you okay? I'm not okay. Yes, we got backup. They're coming to help. Yes, let's go.
And you know what would really embarrass Ethan? If all of his friends just showed up and suddenly, there's no more souls.
Yes, guys, please come look. The backup's here.
Oh, here comes the backup. Ethan, why don't you show them your souls?
Save me from the tears. Get it all over my carpets, bro.
Oh, wait, I'm not seeing anything. And neither are they. Look at
Ayun.
okay, you're lying like EY to called out. Not that I was lying, but
I swear, just before you guys came in, that there were like particles on my feet.
he looks like such a fool.
Guys, you have to believe me here. Come on, guys.
Not only is he terrified of souls, but now he's looks
Wala
like an
tayong
idiot.
magagawa.
Guys, please just believe me. look at me like I'm crazy now.
Lying. Doesn't this sound familiar? Like when everybody didn't believe me? Oh, and look, they're all ditching you, Ethan.
Guys, come on. Guys, please.
Getting ditched.
You have to believe me. No. My feet were crying a second ago, I swear. Okay, something is definitely bugging out my game.
You know what? To really put him off here, guys. Right, we're just gonna crouch. We're gonna go in, Firelight, and let's give him back his souls.
sa taas.
And
Paano
they're
ka
back.
mag-let's
No idea what is causing this to happen.
go!
It all started when I heard
Dami
that
mo
soul
talaga
sound.
na
Okay,
lang.
there it is again.
Sabi, lilinisin ko na sa taas.
Maybe if I go and break another soul sand block, it'll toggle it on. I don't know, guys.
You're telling me they didn't see them again right there? Oh, this is such a shame. Man, must be going crazy. What? He's headed off to the nether.
Let's go to the nether and break some soul sand.
Whatever for? Why would you want to go to the nether? To more soul sand? Bro, Mans is making my life too easy. Alright, we jumping in here.
Alright, we're on the hunt for some soul sand crocodiles. Not really.
Oh, sweet, dear Ethan. You've come to the home of soul sand.
We just want to break some flippin' soul sand blocks before I have to cry, dude. Coming out of my feet.
Mans is just making my job too easy at this point. And fun fact, you
Bakit
actually
daw,
look at the
sabi
faces.
Abby?
Look at them. They got little eyes that stare into yours.
We gotta get rid of this stuff ASAP.
So to scare Ethan to the next level, we're going to surround him in those, well, little eyes. We use a brush full of the depths of soul sand, and we want to mask that to anything but air.
Alright, let's grab ourselves out. This is soul sand breaking apparatus, which is just a diamond shovel. I'm literally just gonna use a diamond shovel.
Where's this man at? Oh, he's here?
But hopefully if we break it, we get rid of the soul sand crying dudes coming out of my feet. Oh, and then we're
Ala ko
free.
kung
Let's just add some soul sand. You were looking for soul sand, is that correct, Ethan?
Why is it so foggy? Need some food.
Well, then you can have some soul sand, Ethan.
I reckon this thing on. Wait, that's
All around you, just for you. Right around. We're gonna surround him in this.
what is that? Wait, are the chunks just loading in or something? Is the server like?
Oh yeah, that's right, Ethan. You're surrounded from all sides. And let's just bring you a little closer. Oh, you're not running anywhere.
Guys, it's getting closer towards me. It's converging on me.
We're looking all around. We can see you from all sides.
No. This is the curse of the soul. No.
He's just got this small little patch of netherite.
Okay, no. I don't want to move. I don't want to stand up.
Sabihin niya si Abby.
We're getting a little closer. Look out, Ethan. Look out.
No, leave me alone.
Look out. Oh, what? He's breaking the souls.
Okay, wait, if we break it, surely we... There it is. There's the tears.
Bro, that ain't gonna do anything. This soul is permanent.
It is real.
Yeah, what? You thought breaking the soul sand could stop it? Yeah, let's just replace that back.
I don't want to stand on it. This thing's cursed.
You're breaking it. Ain't gonna do anything, my friend.
Bro, what do I do? I can't move.
The soul sand ain't just around you, but it's soon to be inside you. Let the soul rain.
Ako si Abby. Nakain na.
Yeah, we ain't... No. What is this? What is this? What is happening? Why are there soul blocks raining from the sky, bro?
Yes, Ethan, look out, it might crush you.
What is this?
Oh, his inventory's gonna be filled up.
They're making all the tears come out of the ground, dude.
Wait, is he trying to punch the soul? He trying to kill him?
We see... Wait. The tears coming out of them look kind of like my faces.
No, we're gonna make him fight back. But to do that, first we're gonna trick him into eating one of them.
They're faces of souls. These are soul faces, dude. They're not tears. No. Okay, we gotta break these. Keep breaking them. No, I'm picking up so much soul sand. I don't want soul sand.
But obviously, you can't eat souls unless we turn them into cookies. Yummy. Man still thinks punching soul sand is gonna make it go away. Alright, we're gonna see what this actually looks like. Do we search souls? That's so cool, guys!
My inventory is filling up with soul sand blocks. No, we just gotta chuck it out. Get out of here.
Okay, we need to drop some of this on Ethan. This is gonna be hard. We're gonna have to drop it like behind him.
Why is it not breaking, guys? This stuff's invincible.
Okay, drop it there. Okay, it's on the ground. It's on the ground. Come on, pick it up.
Destroy the soul block.
I think he got it.
Break it. No, wait. Soul?
Look at him, pause. Oh, there it is in his hand.
Guys. Yes, it's working.
Yes, Ethan. Now, why don't you eat that? Trust me, it's very tasty. Don't worry about it.
Yes, if I keep breaking the soul sand, I can release all the souls and then I'll be free.
And now that he has the soul, this shoots off the rain. There we go.
Wait, it worked. Yes, releasing all the souls worked. I got the souls free. Wait, stop eating it. What are you doing? Why'd you eat it?
All he's done is move the soul sand from out here to inside, and yep, he's eaten it. And now we're gonna quickly turn him into a soul. Oh, look at him just leaving behind his body.
I just put the soul in my body. Wait, what just happened? My game? Wait, hello? I still got...
That's actually Ethan, and he's left behind his body right there.
No, I still have the soul dudes below me. Who are you, bozo? Are you following me?
But this is what he's controlling now, and I think he's figured it out. He's looking at himself, and he can fly around as well.
You're the one troll. Wait, guys, that's my name.
Oh, this is too perfect. That's right, Ethan. You turned yourself into a soul.
I just ate the soul. Does that mean? Oh no.
Wala na!
I became a soul, guys.
You're never coming back to the world of the living. You are dead once and for all.
What is this? No. Release me. Please release me. What is happening?
But in reality, he's not. I've just literally just changed his skin. That's it.
And there's just me around. Please go back into my body. Go back in. Get back in, please.
Ethan, you can't go back in your body. You can't do it.
Please, I want my body back. No, please.
It's not actually you. It's just a fake understand that I named Firelight.
No, please. Please, I need my soul.
It's not you, my brother. I'm sorry.
Is the soul taking over my body, guys? No. The soul sends souls are taking over my body.
I guess you're just stuck here. Looks like you can't go back. Hope you like the Nether.
And I'm just stuck. No, please. Let me back in.
At least it's warm here. There's plenty of lava. You know what I'm saying, guys?
There's no way this is actually happening. No.
Wait, what is he typing in the chat? No.
They ain't real.
Man is losing. Souls, they ain't real. Are you serious?
Nope, none of that.
Are you serious? My man, you're literally a soul right now. Why wouldn't you just admit that you're scam souls and that I was
No souls are real. Just type it out. Why can't I see my chat messages?
So frustrating, guys. Are you serious? All of this, and he still doesn't believe me. All right, looks like we're just gonna have to go all out.
This isn't real. It's fake news. I don't know. I'm going crazy. I haven't had enough sleep.
You know what? I reckon he deserves it for making the entire server think that I'm a liar.
This can't be real, right? This can't be a thing, right?
We need to mess with him in real life as well. First, I'm gonna record myself saying this. Souls are real. Okay, perfect. Now we want to cut off either side of that so we can make this sound loop over and over inside of Ethan's head. Let's turn that volume right up. Perfect. Now, I need to make it sound deeper because my voice really is not as scary as it should be. We go stretch and pitch. We just want to bring the pitch right down. So I'm thinking -5, yep, 2, 4, yep, that will be perfect. And then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go effects, reverb, and we want like that really scary like sound like it's in a scary room, okay? And that should be it. Perfect, apply. And finally, guys, we can't have a scary voice without echo. Everybody knows that, so we go delay, echo, perfect, apply. Now, let's see what that sounds like. It's actually like a cursed soul is saying that right now. That is so cool. Grab that, and I'm gonna repeat it over and over again. And we're going to chuck this on a speaker outside of Ethan's room.
Mamaya pa tayo makakapag.
That is Ethan's room. This is the
Ayusin
speaker.
na natin pala yung lapag eh.
Turn it on. Go.
Wait, what was that? What's that noise? Is that coming from my game? Oh, real. Wait. But I can still hear it. My headset's off. Wait, no, it's coming from behind my door. No, back up. Out of the way, but I will clean you. I swear I will clean you, Sauce. Get back. Stay away from me. No.
Bago!
Please stay back. Sauce. They're in real life now. Bro, why am I still hearing things? There's just voices going on in my head.
And he didn't believe himself being a soul, so I think we get him some buddies and some friends and scare him into believing there's actually a higher form of power.
No. What's happening?
Bring in his friends.
My headphones off. I can still hear them. Wait. There's souls all around me.
That one's dying. Don't worry. Don't look over there, Ethan.
Why are there all these souls?
And now it's time to morph into their master, also known as the Masked.
Why? I'm still hearing the voices, dude.
Right, ready? We're just going to appear right here in front of him. Boop. Hello. Okay, I don't actually know if that one's Ethan. Is that one? I don't know which one's Ethan, guys.
What is happening? What is that? Guys, it's like a soul sand block, but it's like a person.
I don't know which one's Ethan, but I think it's time I harvest the souls. After all, that is what the Mask does.
The voices are still going. Why are they so loud? And this is dude here.
Bring them to me. I have no idea which one Ethan is, but I'm sucking him up.
Guys, no, guys, what is happening? He's sucking my soul. No, leave the game.
Oh, it's the one particle.
Why can't I escape? I can't leave. No, it's gonna take my soul.
You open Minecraft and find Steve is standing in front of you, but how? trail. This is the Lost. And now we just have to die. At least if this theory is true, then the Lost Head should spawn. Reports claim that when a player dies, their data is split into two, which normally would break the code, causing it to be deleted. But apparently, if you can stop the code from breaking, the player AI will act on its own in the form of the Lost Head. Alright, well that didn't work, so test 2. Let's try with the Steve skin, since the Lost Head is the head of Steve. Do you guys see any sign of a floating head? Perhaps a trail of blood? I mean, I died there and yet I see nothing. Maybe we need to try a more explosive method. But no matter how many times I died, there was still no sign of the Lost Head. Maybe instead, to split my player data, I needed to split myself. But how? First, I needed resources. An anvil, a stone cutter, and dripstone. What do all these blocks have in common? They're very sharp, so maybe I could use these items to split my player model in two when I die. I mean, after all, these aren't normal ways to die. All right, let's give this a go. Wait, won't this just crush me? Actually, yeah, I didn't think that through. That literally just crushes me. That doesn't make sense, and I'm not really seeing the Lost Head anyway here. But regardless, guys, keep your eyes out for anything. If you see anything, let me know in the comments below. But the stone cutter, this is an item that literally saws through stuff, except normally you can't die to it. Maybe I could build a machine that somehow allows us to die to it. What else can you die to? Suffocation damage. Wait, if we combine it with a piston, we could actually force it to kill us. That's genius. This is huge brain, guys. All right, let's go ahead and grab ourselves some of those. What if it did? If we have two pistons lined up like that, we could push the stone cutter into ourselves along with a block to, essentially suffocate us to death, and that would cut us up. It would split apart our body and our head, allowing for the Lost Head to be spawned. Okay, we need to do a little bit of redstone in here, so we'll bring that down. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm really low on blocks. I should have collected some more stuff. Okay, so bring that down. So what? We'll activate it from the front using a redstone torch, and we can wrap the redstone around. That should work in theory. I have not had a chance to test this, but I suppose there's no better time than the present, right, guys? Okay, so that comes around to the front, and then we just need to place a block here to block us off, and then we activate it. Fingers crossed, guys. Okay, alright, I'm dying. We've made it so that the stone cutter actually kills us, even though Mojang never intended that. Yo, we're literally changing the game's code right now. Alright, come on. Please do this something. Come on, Ed. Okay, respawn. We're gonna see the Lost Head. Wait, the respawn button's not working. My AI's been split. It's stolen my ability to respawn. Wait, the button came back. Hold on. Oh, what? Was that? Why is it working all of a sudden? Was my game just glitching out? Oh my gosh, guys, I got so excited that we were actually about to prove if this thing was real. I mean, it still could be real. What happens if they could the Lost Head? Do you guys see anything? Yeah, I'm really not seeing anything spooky or scary at all. So maybe it was a glitch. I mean, it wouldn't be the first time Minecraft has glitched out. Wait, hold up. That gives me an idea. What if we spawn him using glitches? Minecraft version error 422. Released by Mojang in 2009, the code was corrupted on launch. Mojang deleted it off the internet in just 2 hours. But why? Because it held proof that Headless Steve was real. Who is he? And why is he headless? What if the Lost Head is actually just Headless Steve's skull? Luckily, people on the internet saved this version before Mojang took it down. Man, this website looks so sus. Holy moly, this is Monted, guys. And what does that sound? It's so annoying. Okay, we just need to create a world again. I can't even change the world to creative. Are you serious right now? Okay, we need to create a world, and we need to see if this Headless Steve actually exists in this version of the game. Oh my gosh, this sound is so annoying, guys. What is going on? Look at my hunger bar right now. It's absolutely glitched out. These graphics are awful. This is so old. Oh my god. It's real. I'm Headless Steve, literally right there. And this is the game that Mojang released. So he does, in fact, exist in the game, at least only in this bugged out version that Mojang deleted. So now we just need to find the Lost Head. I mean, that's what I was here looking for in the first place. If Headless Steve is in this world and they are connected, the Lost Head has to be out there somewhere. I searched the entire world, and there were tons of glitches, but no Lost Head. Maybe they weren't connected at all. Did I miss something in the reports I read? Then I saw this. I think I've been doing this all wrong. Check out this post about a new player data feature that was added to Minecraft. You can see this post was from like 3 days ago, so it's really recent. And it says here that player data is saved as a temporary cache memory on the computer so that players can respawn at any time with ease and keep their player data. So basically saying, wow, this is a great opportunity for all the Minecraft devs, but it's actually really important for us too because of this keyword, respawn. Because what's the only mode that you can't respawn in? Hardcore. The computer has no reason to store the data because I can't even respawn in the first place. So it should actually split my data. And we're in. Okay, great. We've got a perfect place. We just need to get up on that cliff and jump off. That should immediately kill us and therefore split the player data in two. At least if this post is real, which hopefully it is. Let's jump up here. Nice. All right, cool. Screenshots. The easiest way to capture your Minecraft memories. From your very first castle build to a selfie with your friends on a cliff. These are moments frozen in time with just a click. Years later, you scroll through them feeling nostalgic. But something feels off. In the corner of your photo, you notice a strange shape in the background.
Pwede na ba yan?
Wait, this is one. Okay na.
You brush it off until you see it again and again. Every time he's there watching you. This is the chilling death of the Echo. So, you're telling me I played Minecraft for over 12 years and never once noticed this myth, also known as Ek0? That can't be right, but I'll look through the images anyway. Might take a bit though, since they aren't exactly in any order. I have no idea what that is. Bro, this is so old, I don't even have a skin. But more importantly, I'm not really noticing any entity, Echo, X0, whatever you want to call it, in the background of these images. Okay, nothing. Oh, this is the time I pulled a prank on my little sister Esther. You can tell exactly what that prank is. Yep. No further details.